gonna unbox this humidifier here, but I'll be cutting everything out, so you'll have to bear with me. And I opening it up here in the unboxed video. Yep, let's see what goodies are packed in this wonderful box. Oh, some styrofoam base for this humidifier here. And I got some paper, might have paperwork. Oh, yes, some assembly instructions are here. Yeah, I got instructions for assembly, a axle, a remote control, and a cleaning cup. Ooh, that's really nice. They gave me a screwdriver and all this wonderful stuff. That makes me feel happy, you know. Good. I need, and the manual. Remember, the owner's manual, the most important part of all. Remember it well and believe well. I'm gonna unpack some more stuff right here. I'm gonna get this, taking this out here. Yeah, and I'll pull that out. Yeah. I think I'm gonna put it around that side. Okay, the box. I got it off. Got it up. Got it off. Getting this off here because this is important pieces. Oh. I got a big in a big bag here. Oh, yeah. This here looks like the one piece. Got another piece I gotta get off here. Coming out now will be this piece. With this piece, and this piece. That and that here. Got this piece and this piece here. I haven't got all this other plastic. Got this piece here. Then you have, this is where I put the water into it, here. And this piece will be one part of it right here. This piece goes here like that. And this is the float for the water and the humidifier. Too, I think that's the float definitely. Tells you how much is in there and when to volt it out and how to volt it. Yeah, I got more to I got to unpack this. Let's unpack the rest of this to see. But as you know, okay, I got this here. This is going to sit on top of that somewhere. It's going to sit somewhere here on top. That will probably go into here, and I'll pause it on it yet. Yeah, okay, this, yep, we're probably going to go here. I'm not too sure, I'm not positive on it yet. Have to read the assembly instructions here to find out where and when it will go. Because of there's going to be a tank for water here as well. I don't know where. Gravel sitting there, gravel in there. I don't know where it's going to go here or how it fits or where it fits. I can't figure that one out just quite yet. Like if, you know, gotta go somehow, but where? Huh. that go on top here. This, but where is the piece for, how does this fit? How does this fit? Yeah, there no fit there, I guess. Nope. It don't fit here like that. Fit like this somehow. Fit like that, and this go on top. Does this fit on there? That, I doubt it. Nope. That don't fit there. I don't know where it fits. I don't know. Anyway, it's enough said. Vlog.